Hi, Jason Thompson here at EA Sports, and we are ready to talk about NCAA Football 10 and Team Builder, the brand new feature from NCAA Football 10. Russ Kennery from EA Sports Live fame joining us. Walk us through Team Builder. It's a new feature for the football series, isn't it?
Yeah, this ain't your dad's creative school, man. This is actually lives online. You're going to be able to customize about everything you can think of. Everything from your midfield logo to the backup center's pass block rating. This thing is awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look.
All right.
So, the first thing you're going to be able to do is really just kind of set some generic stuff for your team. You're going to be able to, what your team name is, what your prestige is, coach name, and what your primary colors are. When you actually get to selecting a logo, there's two options for you. You can actually choose from our existing library, which has everything of our current logos to our FCS schools, which has been a big request from the community, is to be able to get those schools in game. Well, we're going to give you the logos to be able to create them. Also, you can actually bring in your own logo. So if you want to bring in your own logo from, like we have right here with one of our guys, his high school team, you're able to just bring in your own logo, and there it is. And just to make your life a little easier, a quick one, you actually can come in here and pick from your logo and choose the colors to use for the rest of the app. So if you want to use the exact same colors, we're not going to make you figure it out. You can just get it on your own. You can be able to choose from any of our stadiums that are in the game. And then the app really starts to take off when you hit the field. So when you can customize everything on the field, from the text that's in the end zone to where your logos appear on the 40 to 35, if they even show up. The actual colors of the text, the colors of the background, if you even want your background to be visible.
And all of this is going on online. I don't have to be connected to my console. I can be doing this at work.
Yes, we're gonna lose a few lunchtimes to this one, I'm sure. And probably the coolest part of the whole app is right here, is actually the uniform. The uniform has over 200 different stripes and patterns that you can customize on your helmet, your pants. Actually, the stripes themselves, you can come in here. We've got about every stripe you can think of, and you can change the colors on them. And right now the app's about 75 to 80% done. So you're going to be able to actually choose specific colors here, or your team colors. So you have to look past a little of the beginning. We've got every type of pattern you can think of. There's like 17 different locations to put your logo on the actual uniform itself. So if you want your EA Sports logo or our nice little Osmond Tigers logo that you have in there, you can everything from if you want the names to appear on the back of your jerseys.
And each one of these little dots up here, as I click on that dot, that's an area of the jersey I'm able to recreate.
We're basically calling those like little kind of hot spots on each of the uniform. Like for the sleeve, you can if you want your numbers to show up, and it's really all kind of real easy to use, in that it's just point and click, and just select from the options.
Okay, so I've gone through, I've done my logo, I've done my stadium, I've got my field, and I've customized my field. I've done my uniform all the way up to the helmet, and 100 and some odd combinations. I go to Mascot. What's the Mascot tab for?
So you're going to be able to choose from one of our existing mascots in the game and use them for your school. So if you want to come in here and you want to use, I don't know, who do you want to use? Let's use Smokey. Everybody loves Smokey. And now, or you can just go back to using none.
This entire feature is existing online, and then once I've done that, others will be able to look at my work, my handiwork?
Yeah, so once you create your school online, which you can create as many as you want, there's no limit, you're going to be able to download them into your game, or someone else can come and search for your team, and because you can designate if you're creating a high school team, a FBS team, and bring them into your game.
Well, I can tell you there are a line of media here, as this is EA Sports season premiere, all waiting to get their hands on this build a team, the idea of taking logos, stadiums, fields, uniforms, mascots, creating your own team for NCAA Football 10. Russ, we were ready to be wowed. You wowed us. Congratulations, man. That was awesome.